You can all download a report called India Skills Report. That's there in Google. You can, I mean, for years they have been doing, I guess for 5-7 years, they have been doing it from Wheelbox. What they do is they conduct a study of thousands of employers and thousands and thousands of employees, and they come out with a pattern and a trend which is there in this particular year. So it's mainly about what is working, what is not working in organizations and corporates. Okay, so India Skills Report 2020 said that what is getting hired is these. Okay, positive attitude and soft skills are a must. And they mentioned in their report, employers mentioned top 5 preferred skill in a candidate while they look to hire them. Okay, that's positive attitude, adaptability, learning agility, domain expertise, and interpersonal skills. Okay, that was 2020. Let's see if there is a difference. Okay, now this is not what I have said. This is a screenshot from that particular report. Okay, don't download it right now. You can do that later. That just remember, India Skills Report, you have to download later. Now, this year, what they are mentioning is soft skills are vital. When asked about skills employers look for in a potential employee, they all had one thing in common. Everybody wants to work with a person that has a positive attitude. That's one, especially when the companies have been put through challenges during the pandemic. The need for resilience. Resilience is basically how quickly you bounce back. Okay, your flexibility and active communication are the top necessities. So in this circle, you will see problem solving, communication, active learning, resilience, flexibility, digital dexterity, analytical and critical thinking are the topmost skills for this particular year. But I want you to understand this, that these are generic things that people are mentioning. Okay, so they come up with the data and then they tell you कि ठीक है इतने दिनों में हमें ये समझ में आया है कि इस साल इसकी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. But depending upon what job you are picking for yourself, which stream you are getting into, your soft skills will differ. The need for different kind of soft skills will come when you know what kind of a job you are into. So अगर आप किसी बैक एंड जॉब में हैं तो आपकी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स डिफरेंट होंगी, और अगर आप फ्रंट एंड में हैं और आप बहुत ज्यादा लोगों के साथ इंटरैक्ट कर रहे हैं, then in that case your soft skills are going to be totally different. However, these are some of the soft skills that almost everybody needs. Okay, so now to prove my point, I just want to tell you that there is a study. This also you can go and Google. सब कुछ Googleable है. मैं अपनी तरफ से कुछ ऐड नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं बार-बार आपको बता रही हूँ. Okay. So a study from Harvard University, plus the Dale Carnegie Foundation, plus Stanford Research Center. Everybody together in one word, they are saying on employability. Okay. So they are saying that the study on employability states that 85% of one's success at workplace, in fact, I would say in both professional and personal space, depends upon your soft skills, and only 15% of technical skills and knowledge. So what are your technical skills and knowledge? जो भी subject matter expertise आप अभी gain कर रहे हैं, that is your domain skill and that is your hard skill. Okay, so I'll explain you in the go, but I want you to focus on this particular picture कि जो आपको success मिलने वाली है आगे, और अभी तक भी जो आपको success मिल रही है, that's not about how high your IQ is. It is more about your EQ, and it's way more about your soft skills. Okay, now let's see. This is a screenshot from LinkedIn that I have taken up. Okay, most hiring and firing decisions come down to soft skills. Now, you can read that later, but what my concern here is to tell you that, these days, HR and recruiters and hiring managers and everybody are so careful and cautious about taking the right participant inside, the participant who has got a candidate who has got right soft skills. Okay, because technical skill is something that can be taught. We can train you on that. Every time there is a project, new project coming in, you will be trained on that particular project. You will be trained on a particular tool, a particular software, a particular syllabus will be given to you. You will understand all of that because that's a pattern that we have been doing for years now. But soft skills people really cannot teach you, and they do not even have the bandwidth to do that for you, and it takes long time. Okay, so why they are so careful and cautious about picking the right candidates for jobs? Because identifying poor soft skills is much harder thing that they are facing right now. So, while in the interview, you can be somebody who is like really prepared yourself well, and you can show great resume, you can get it done from somebody, and you can prepare really well for this your technical round, and HR भी किस तरह से आपने निकाल लिया, but your attitude, your aptitude, your real behavior will come only when you start working there. So soft skills are really little difficult to judge in a couple of days, a couple of rounds in interviews. And that is why now these days people are focusing a lot on checking your social media profile. Literally खंगालते हैं वो आपको ऑफर लेटर देने से पहले. So they will first of all go to your LinkedIn profile because you are applying for a professional position. So they will see whether you are available on LinkedIn, whether you have your LinkedIn profile or not. Then they are going to go and see what kind of profile you have, how impressive and impactful profile you have. Then they will see what work you are doing. Are you really active, or are you just present? You just have a sleeping profile over there, or they will go to your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you are, and they will see what kind of a personality are you reflecting on social media. So first of all, are you even Googleable? That is what they are going to check. And if there are 10 people, sitting for a particular role, there are 10 people who have to be hired and 20 have been selected. Those 10 are going to be those who have great social media presence and who have shown amazing soft skills. Okay. So it's important, more important for to hire for क्या चीज के लिए आपको hire करना ज़्यादा important है. 92% people say that soft skills matter as much or more than hard skills. Okay, so you are going to be entering now the workforce. You are in the entry level. In the entry level, people cannot really judge too many of your soft skills. However, during the interviews, they are definitely going to gauge you. But right now, your hard skills become your eligibility. Later, as you grow in the organization, as you gain more experience, most of you are going to be judged mainly on your soft skills only. Okay, bad hires usually lack. What do bad hires? अगर आप गलती से किसी जगह पे काम करने चले गए हो तो HR को डांट इसलिए पड़ती है because they couldn't judge your real soft skills. Okay, now the 4 trends transforming the workplace today. So percentage of talent professionals who agree these trends are very important for the future of recruiting and HR. सारे recruiters और HRs एक number 1 trend जो देख रहे हैं in the workplace, that is 91% of changes are happening, and the need generated are on soft skills. बाद में आता है work flexibility and बाकी सारी चीजें, but the workplace is changing because of the changing soft skills, and that is so in demand today. Okay. Importance of soft skills, if we were to talk about around the world, you will see 96% Mexico, percentage of talent professionals who say soft skills are very important for future. India, Brazil, Italy, Southeast Asia, Spain, all these countries, recruiters and hiring professionals, they believe that 95% of your role is played by your soft skills when they are going to hire you. Okay, so you may say that commerce is not a technical field, though it is. Okay, whatever knowledge, subject matter expertise you have is your technical or hard skill. Now, even if you talk about Google, which is the giant tech company, the hiring, firing, and promotion, everything is based on top 8 skills. That's the benchmark. If you have these skills, you will be hired. If you lack these, you will be fired. If you have these better than others, you will be promoted. Okay, so even in the technical fields, you need a lot of soft skills, and those skills, those places, those domains where not too much of technical skills are needed, there also your soft skills only is going to work. Okay, so soft skills are the skills where machines cannot compete. That's the simplest way to explain. Okay, now what are soft skills? So number 1, let's see. Soft skills are personal attributes that influence how well you can work or interact with others. Okay, I have just presented these slides in front of you. The way I have presented is showing my hard skill, whatever knowledge I have little bit on presentation. This is how you are seeing my technical skills. The content that I'm sharing is my subject matter expertise, but the way I am explaining to you is all about my soft skills. Okay, so soft skills are your personal attributes. We are born with soft skills. Most of the soft skills are the skills that we are born with. However, when we say these are the skills, that means we can always learn and develop them. And then these are the skills that make it easier to form relationships with people. They create trust and dependability, and they also help you lead teams. Sooner or later, you are going to be. So first, you will start with leading yourself. Okay, your leadership, self-leadership will come, and then you will be made, if you show great self-leadership, you will be made to lead other teams also. So everything around soft skills is about you interacting with other people, you dealing with different things, your behavior, your attitude, your aptitude, your personality traits, everything is covered in soft skills. I would like to also see I want you to see the difference between hard and soft skills. Okay, hard skills show you are great for a specific job. Okay, so you are what you are a financial analyst, suppose. Okay, suppose some of you become a financial analyst, so that financial analysis is your core job. Okay, so you will be called, if you're really good at that and you do great analysis, you will be called great at financial analysis. That's your hard skill. Okay, but you cannot actually use your financial analysis in any other field other than financial analysis. Okay, so you will not be able to use your financial analysis as a coder. You cannot convert that and become a software engineer or a dancer or anybody else. Okay, so these are untransferable skills. They are very specific to the domain that you are in. Okay, so they will make you, they will show how great you are in that specific field, and it is extremely important, guys. Though we are talking about soft skills, I am not denying the fact that your hard skills do not play an important role. Okay, it will definitely help you become an expert in your domain. Nobody is born with these skills. Remember that. Okay. Now, soft skills prove you would be great fit anywhere, because these are the transferable skills. These are the employability skills. These are the skills that make you fit anywhere, because you carry these skills in every single kind of job wherever you go. In whatever industry you are, whatever companies you are, whatever role you are at, whatever designations you are at, you are going to be certainly utilizing all your soft skills. Okay, so they are a part of your personality and you can learn them too. Okay, so it's not that hard skills, क्योंकि हार्ड स्किल्स के साथ कोई पैदा नहीं होता है. ओके, आप पढ़ाई करते हो, आपने किसी ने नहीं सोचा होगा ना, बॉर्न फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट नहीं होता है. कुछ लोगों में फाइनेंस के लिए एप्टीट्यूड काफी अच्छा होता है एज कंपेयर टू अदर पीपल. सो दैट्स एन एप्टीट्यूड यू हैव. हाउएवर द स्किल हैज टू बी डेवलप्ड थ्रू योर लर्निंग दैट यू गेट थ्रू योर एजुकेशन. हाउएवर सॉफ्ट स्किल्स इज व्हाट वी मोस्ट ऑफ अस आर born with. Now I want you to understand. Okay, so let me ask, anybody has any questions so far? Anything that you want to talk about or you want to discuss so far? No? Okay. So let us understand why are soft skills needed more than ever. Now, मैं पूछती हूँ ना, आप लोगों को कुछ नहीं बोलने के, तो मैं पूछती हूँ उससे question. I am sorry about that mute thing, guys. Okay, so you can write in the chat box or you can unmute yourself. I'll allow you to unmute yourself. Please, let's have some interaction here. So, why do you think soft skills are more important now? Or they have always been that important? Share something, guys. Please talk. Anybody? I am asking you a question, Rohan. You are asking me a question back. No, it is not done. How can we boost our confidence? You can boost your confidence right here in 1 minute. You ask me a question, and amongst all these people, you will become the most confident person. कि कोई हिम्मत ही नहीं जुटा रहा है ना question पूछने की. आप question पूछो, you will become the most confident person. Ask me the question, Rohan. Tell me, guys, what do you think? Why do you think soft skills are more important today? Any idea that you have?
Maybe the soft skills give us an idea of how well do we gel up with other people, and like other skills that we possess are estimated by our soft skills.
Good one, Vanshita. Thank you for adding that. Really appreciate you. Okay, what else? Suhani, Samyak, Shrishti, Palak, Saksham, गौरांग, मेघा, गौरी, धैर्य क्या है? सो इससे ये समझ में आता है भैया कि इस ग्रुप में 110 लोगों को बहुत मेहनत करने की जरूरत है उनकी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स पे, 109 लोगों को वंशिता ने हिम्मत दिखाई है. I guess your soft skills are ones which differentiate you from others, absolutely, and that's how you become different and unique. Yes, absolutely, wonderful ad. Thank you so much, Palak. Okay, so because you guys are not participating, let me take you further. अच्छा, एक चीज मैं पूछती हूँ, आप लोगों को डर लगता है क्या बात करने में ऐसे? What is the fear? Why do you not come up with anything? Why do you not speak? Do you feel that people are going to judge you? या ये दोस्त तो इतने बदमाश हैं कि बाद में हंसेंगे हमारे ऊपर, और ये बड़ा बोल रही थी, बड़ा बोल रहा था. I know this happens. This happens. I have been through
Can I
this.
say,
Yes, please, please.
ma'am, soft skill gives an idea about any person's personality, that
Mhm.
how a person is. We can have some basic idea about that, because
Hmm.
CV just gives us the idea about his education qualification, but
Hmm.
soft skills gives us the idea about his personality, that any
Absolutely.
recruiter can get any idea about him.
Brilliant. Brilliant, Sandeep. Thank you so much. I want you all to applaud. That's amazing. Thank you so much. I know it takes little effort and little courage also to speak up. Okay. And Sandeep, मैं बता रही हूँ, you are going places. मस्त था. अच्छा काम कर रहे हो बेटा. Very good. So there is writing positive soft skills help us succeed further in workplace. Okay, soft skills give an edge to an individual with hard skills. Okay, so one of the biggest soft skills is that we have to be a great listener and comprehender. Okay, English comprehension हमने किया है. मेरा question था, why do we need soft skills more than ever now? Okay, so let me share something more. They are hard to automate. ठीक है, अभी हम क्या देख रहे हैं, आजकल क्या हो रहा है, all the monotonous work that people have been doing can be automated. So we see AI, machine learning, robotics, and all these things. Technological advancements are so huge these days, and most of the work that we see today in the world are going to be taken over by machines. Okay, but the soft skills are the skills that cannot be automated. Though there are experiments going on, बहुत सारे काम होने वाले हैं अभी ये सॉफ्ट स्किल्स पे भी, जो मशीन्स करने वाली है और हमसे ये भी चले जाएगा, पर still we can say that these are the skills that cannot be automated. They need us for that. ठीक है, अपने मन से नहीं होंगी, आपके इंक्लूजन के बिना ये काम नहीं हो सकता है. Okay, another thing is that they help facilitate human connections. Okay, now I'll tell you what, so if everybody is going to be working with machines, everything, all the different kinds of works are going to be done with technology and machines, where are we ending up? हम क्या करने वाले हैं? अगर सब काम मशीन करेगी तो हम क्या करने वाले हैं? तो बस बहुत सारा टाइम होने वाला है, तो हम बातें कर सकते हैं, हम नए आइडियाज एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं, हम मजे कर सकते हैं दोस्तों के साथ. अभी हम क्या करते हैं? अभी हम गैजेट्स के साथ ही मजे करते हैं, बट दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन, एंड इसलिए एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज आ रहा है आज की जनरेशन को सॉफ्ट स्किल डेवलपमेंट करने में, क्योंकि आपका पर्सनल इंटरेक्शन नहीं है. So I am a baby boomer. Okay, I am born in 1978. I'm 43 years old. So at my time, I used to play out with सुहानी की आंख इतनी बड़ी. सुहानी, मेरा कैमरा बहुत अच्छा है, मैं मस्त मेकअप करके बैठी हूँ बेटा. ओके, मेरी एज अभी पता नहीं चलेगी. What I wanted to tell you is that हमारा इंटरेक्शन बहुत कम हो गया, और इंटरेक्शन कम होने से हमें समझ नहीं आता है कि इंटरेक्शन शुरू कैसे करें. मेनी अ टाइम्स यू डू नॉट नो, यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द अदर पीपल आर, अदर पर्सन इज फीलिंग. तो इमोशनली आप थोड़े चैलेंज फील करते हो जब आप एक्सप्रेशंस पे आते हो. यू आर अनएबल टू एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ. दैट्स अनदर चैलेंज दैट वी आर फेसिंग. सो सॉफ्ट स्किल्स इसलिए जरूरी है कि अब अगर मशीन ज्यादातर काम करेंगी तो सिर्फ वो लोग जो ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन में अच्छे होंगे उनकी ही डिमांड और जरूरत होगी. सो पहले के टाइम पे क्या होता था, जब इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट शुरू हुआ था, इंडस्ट्रियल एज आई थी, तो हम मशीन्स का काम करते थे, क्योंकि तब मशीन्स इतनी नहीं थी, तो हमें रोबोट्स जैसे लगातार एक ही काम करना है ना. लोग एक ही तरह का काम मोनोटोनस कई सालों तक करते रहते थे. फिर कंप्यूटर आया, उनका काम चले गया. और अब क्या हो गया, अभी कंप्यूटर्स हमारी दुनिया भर का काम कर रहे हैं. एलेक्सा गाना बजा दो, एलेक्सा खाना बना दो, खाना भी बनाएगी थोड़े दिन बाद एलेक्सा. सब कुछ अपने मन से होगा, तो आप क्या करोगे? पागल हो जाएंगे हम लोग. वी विल बी लेफ्ट विथ ओनली ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन, एंड पीपल हु आर रियली गुड, एंड वी ऑल वांट ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन. हम फेसबुक पे या इंस्टाग्राम पे अपनी पिक्चर्स क्यों डालते हैं बताइए? हम कनेक्ट होना चाहते हैं, हम चाहते हैं लोग हमें एक्नॉलेज करें, हमारी तारीफ करें, हमें अप्रिशिएट करें, हमें हमारी प्रेजेंस फील कराएं. We want that connect. Every human being wants the connect with other people. ओके सो जब आप कोई प्रोडक्ट खरीदने के लिए जाते हो एक शॉप में बहुत सारी जगह बहुत सारे सब समझ लो कि वी आर गोइंग फॉर टू शॉप फॉर सम क्लोथ्स ओके कुछ अटायर आप देखने जा रहे हो एंड यू नो यू एंटर दैट पर्टिकुलर शॉप एंड देयर इज नोबडी लुकिंग एट यू nobody giving you any what attention. आपको मन करता है शॉपिंग करने का वहां पे? नहीं करता है. आपको मालूम है कि ठीक है हाँ मुझे पता है मुझे कपड़े खरीदने पर ऐसे किसी को मजा नहीं आता है. बट द मोमेंट यू सी यू नो दोज सेल्स पीपल कमिंग टू यू, हेलो मैम, वेलकम मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग, क्या दिखा सकता हूँ, आपको ये चाहिए, आपको ये चाहिए, हमारे पास ये भी, यू फील अटेंशन, यू गेट दैट अटेंशन. आपको अच्छा लगता है, भले ही कपड़े अच्छे नहीं फिर भी आप बोलोगे सॉरी भैया हमें पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, बट यू फील बैड कि अरे बेचारे ने इतनी मेहनत करी हमें पसंद नहीं आया. You all and we all, हम ह्यूमन, हमें बस और ज्यादा अच्छा ह्यूमन बनना है. There is nothing left. सब कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी लेने वाला है. And if you understand that we all crave for human connections and you can really feel yourself, you can be self-aware about yourself and you can be aware about what the other person is going through. You can, you want to speak with people, you want to connect with them, you want to chit chat with them, you want to understand them, help them, collaborate with them. This is what is going to take you ahead in life. Nothing else. क्योंकि आप अच्छे फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट होगे पर कोई ना कोई और आपसे भी अच्छा आएगा और आपका काम ले लेगा. पर अगर आप एक ऐसे फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट हो जिसका अपने क्लाइंट्स के साथ जबरदस्त बॉन्ड है, then the clients will not want you to be replaced. They will always ask for, no, I want to be working with this person only. For the company, for the organization, you are going to become significant for them, irreplaceable for them. और अब जब आप लोग इतने सारे, मान लेते हैं हम लोग 109 लोग हैं, मुझे हटा देते हैं और 2-4 लोगों को और हटा देते हैं आपके टीचर्स को, जब समझ लेते हैं 100 लोग भी, आप लोग सब एक तरह की डिग्री लेके पास हो गए. ओके, यू ऑल आर गोइंग टू बी कमिंग आउट सिमिलर डिग्रीज है और इतना कंपटीशन है, सब कोशिश करते हैं कैसे भी, और अभी तो ऑनलाइन एग्जाम है तो बल्ले बल्ले सबके नंबर भी अच्छे आ ही रहे है ना, तो सब क्लोज टू ग्रेट स्कोर्स. हाउ आर द इंटरव्यूज गोइंग टू डिसाइड हु शुड बी द आइडियल कैंडिडेट फॉर दैट? It's your soft skills. It's how you present yourselves, how confident you show, how well researched you are, how well how well you comprehend things, how well you answer them, how well you understand, how can you pitch yourself, how can you sell yourself. Numerous things. और ये सब के लिए आपको अच्छे से बात करना आना चाहिए. That's your communication skills. आपको understanding बहुत जरूरी है. Great listening skills are needed. So आपको बस ये समझ में आना चाहिए कि there can be no other Palak on this world, on this planet. Okay, people, Palak, Arya, बहुत सारे लोगों का नाम होगा बेटा, पर आपके जैसा, unless and until we clone, nobody can be Palak, Arya, just like you with your experiences, your talents and your skills. Likewise, Samyak जैसा, स्नेहा जैसा, गौरी जैसे, मेघा, धैर्या, रोहन, कोई नहीं है हमारे जैसा. So we have to understand that there is no competition that we have with anybody. Okay, the only competition that we have is with ourselves, and we have to keep showing to people how unique we are and how uniquely we can do something, and for that you need to have great soft skills. Okay, so the first thing was you cannot really automate soft skills, and that is why it is so in demand, and it is going to help you facilitate your human connection. So जब चाहे आप अपना human connection interviewer के साथ maintain कर रहे हैं या अपने fellow teachers, आपके teachers के साथ, अपने fellow students के साथ, कहीं पे भी है, आपको you just have to make sure that you have to become more human now. Okay, then they are high in demand by employers and recruiters. We have just seen that. इतनी सारी slides में मैंने बस यही दिखाया कि everybody is saying that they need people with high great soft skills, because technical skills or your domain skills can be definitely taught, and that will be taught actually. जब भी आप किसी कंपनी में जाते हैं तो थोड़ी ट्रेनिंग आपको मिलती है वो काम समझने के लिए, because आप कॉलेज से निकल के अचानक से वो काम करने लग जाओगे, ऐसे नहीं होता है. So most of the times you will be trained for that, but then the how part, how you do. So your hard skill is going to set your eligibility for something, that will give you the entrance, that will open the door, first step to the door. But the soft skills are the efficiency part, how well you do. So आप 10 लोगों को एक ही काम दिया है पर कुछ लोग बहुत ही अच्छे से करते हैं. So the how part defines how well you are in your soft skills. Okay, they are transferable skills, हमने पहले ही देखा है इसको, and will help you move from job to job. So whether आज आप as a financial analyst काम कर रहे हो, कल आप investment banking में जाओगे, आप जहाँ पे भी जा रहे हो, these are the skill you will carry forever, and wherever you are going, whichever company, whatever role or designation you will be at, and then they will be the key differentiator in the technically advanced workplace. तो अभी यहाँ पे जितने भी बच्चे बैठे हैं, यहाँ पे जितने भी students हैं, they are all going to be appearing for some kind of placement if they are not going for further studies. And even if you are going for further studies, there also, why certain students are favorite for teachers? सोचा है आपने? इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि जो बच्चा पढ़ाई में बहुत ही अच्छा होता है सिर्फ वही फेवरेट होता है, ये तो है, ये टीचर्स थोड़े से बायस तो होते हैं, उनको अच्छा लगता है जो स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ते हैं, तो जो थोड़े बदमाश टाइप के, तो बदमाश बच्चे भी स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत पसंद होते हैं, बट डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल लोग टीचर्स को पसंद नहीं. यू कैन डू अ लॉट ऑफ मस्ती, okay, you can be naughty as whatever like, but you should never be disrespectful. Then how you talk with people, how you network with people, how you connect with them, how respectful you are is going to actually decide to what extent you are going to grow in your career. Because your manners and etiquette, good manners and etiquette take you to the places where your education also cannot. So soft skills are about etiquette and manners. So I'll tell you, so the other day two people connected with me on LinkedIn, and one person said, hey, मुझे जानता नहीं है पर वो मुझसे लिख रहा है हे, जैसे मैं उसकी दोस्त हूँ, हाँ भाई बोल. Hey, I have 1 year of experience, I am an MBA, I'm looking for a job change, can you help? मतलब क्यों करूंगी भाई, मैंने क्या लिया है तुझसे, कौन सा डेट है मेरे ऊपर. Okay, दूसरी लड़की आई है, so this was a boy, okay, and this girl says, hey, I am a fresher, I do not know what to do in my life, can you help? I just wanted to tell her that yes, you need to work on your soft skills, on your manners and etiquette first of all. I didn't say anything. I do not want to get into all those conversations, but this is what I want you to understand: how you approach people, how you talk to people. तो और अगर उसी की जगह कोई और इंसान आता और मुझसे बोलता, उसको आपको पता है ना, जब आप किसी को मैसेज लिखते हो आपको पता है ना कि आप किसको रेफर कर रहे हो, किसको ग्रीट कर रहे हो, यू नो द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन. सो हेलो साक्षी, I am so and so person, I'm doing such and such thing, I've been through your profile, I found your content really great, and I just hope that we can be connected with each other and I can learn something from you. Is it okay if I can ask you a couple of questions? What is the difference? Both are freshers, दोनों इंटेलिजेंट. हो सकता है इस सेकंड वाले से पहले वाला ज्यादा ही सच में इंटेलिजेंट हो, बहुत अच्छे नंबर, पर क्या मैं उसके नंबर्स की तरफ जाऊंगी? क्या मैं उसके मार्क्स या स्कोर देखूंगी, उसकी डिग्री देखूंगी, या कौन से यूनिवर्सिटी से पढ़ के आई है वो मैं देखूंगी? I will not be judging the person on that at all. I will be simply judging with the first few words that this person uses to greet me, whether the person has greeted me or not. These are such basic things. और हम दुनिया में पता नहीं क्या बड़ी बड़ी चीजों के पीछे लगे पड़े हैं, क्रिप्टो और पता नहीं कौन कौन सा बिटकॉइन, और ये और बात करना नहीं आता है, हम दुनिया में सब चीजें सीखने निकल पड़े. So you have to understand, guys, that these are such basic things that will make or break your career. Okay, so let's move forward and see some of the most important soft skills. Communication, of course, बिना मुंह खोले तो काम possible ही नहीं है ना, unless and until we are robots. In fact, अब तो robots ही बात करने लग गए हैं. So communication is you sending out a clear message to somebody. What exactly you wanted to say has to be delivered in the same manner, and the person also needs to understand that in the same context and manner. So that is what is communication. अब communication को बहुत सारे students समझते हैं कि it is speaking English. How many of you think that people who speak great English have great communication skills? How many of you think that way? Anybody who thinks that? किसी को ऐसे लगता है कि क्योंकि मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती बहुत अच्छी, इसलिए मेरे communication skills weak है? Anybody? You can just please write I in the chat box if you feel that because you do not have great English, spoken English, that's why you feel that you do not have great communication.
Oh, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in my opinion, communication is about
कौन बोल रहा है भाई?
Ma'am, Rohan.
रोहन, हाँ प्लीज. फोटो कहाँ गई आपकी? सॉरी, आपका वीडियो कहाँ गया?
Yes, ma'am. Am I visible? Ma'am, in my opinion, communication is like basically connecting with the other person. Like it is language doesn't matter, ma'am. As you can see, the Prime Minister of our country, like he's famous for his communication skills and his speeches. The way he connect with his audience is really very important. So, ma'am, communication is like connecting with the audience is important.
Absolutely wonderful, Rohan. Thank you so much. So,
Ma'am,
Swani,
in my opinion, I believe like the language is not important, but it is necessary that we convey our thoughts clearly to the other person, and the other person is able to interpret what we are trying to say. For say, if we are working in a firm or any company, so it is important for a work to be done, like it is delegated properly, and the people who, to whom the work is delegated, they understand the work clearly.
brilliant, Arushi. Thank you so much. Where is your video, beta?
Ma'am, I'm facing some network issues, so I won't be able to put my video on.
Koi baat. Okay. So I tell you what, communication has to do a lot with, very rightly pointed out by everyone here, Arushi and Rohan, absolutely right. Communication, connectivity hoti hai. Communication is clarity of your thoughts, the way you are communicating everything. However, communication is way deeper than this. कम्युनिकेशन जो आप क्लैरिटी दे रहे हो, आप किस फॉर्म में क्लैरिटी देने वाले हो? आप फोन पे उनको क्लैरिटी दे रहे हो, आप लाइव इन पर्सन आप उनको क्लैरिटी देना चाह रहे हो. सो जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस है ये रिटन फॉर्म में जा रहे हैं, ओवर द मेल जा रहा है, कैसे जा रहा है? ओके, सो इफ आई हैव टू if I switch off my video, you tell me I am a speaker here and I keep my video switched off and I speak with you. How many of you are really feeling connected with me? Tell me, to be very honest. Write in the chat box I, if you are feeling connected with me now. And I would love to take the rest of the session, whatever 15 minutes we are left with. I would not want to switch on my video. कितने लोग यहाँ बैठ के मुझे सुनने की कोशिश करेंगे? कितने लोग को मजा आएगा? और मान लो अब कितने लोगों को मजा आएगा? मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. सॉफ्ट स्किल्स कितनी ज़बरदस्त चीज़ है. थैंक यू रोहन मुझे बुलाने के लिए. वाह कितना अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि कम्युनिकेशन होता है सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, लीडरशिप होता है सॉफ्ट स्किल्स. आप लोग जो भी सवाल है पूछ सकते हैं मुझसे. हाउ इंटरेस्टिंग एम आई साउंडिंग राइट नाउ गाइस? You want, so human connections are built when you see people live. Okay, you are understanding and how people perceive you, that is extremely important. So right now you are seeing me live here like this. ओके तो अगर मैं आपके सामने नहीं हूँ, एक काली स्क्रीन है, तो आपको समझ नहीं आएगा. आप जरूर मेरी बातों से आप कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करोगे, फिर आप मेरी आवाज सुनोगे. तो अगर मैं बहुत ही डल हूँ और मैं आराम से बात कर रही हूँ, आपको लगेगा यार ये क्या पका हुआ है. चलो जाते हैं यहाँ से. वैसे अगर मैं बात करूंगी, हाय मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है आप मुझसे बात करने से, अच्छे से क्वेश्चन पूछिए, चलो तो थोड़ी एनर्जी है बात करने में. सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट क्लैरिटी, the clarity will also come with your expression. लोग आपके बारे में perceive कर रहे हैं बहुत सारी चीजें. तो जब तक लोग आपको देखेंगे नहीं ना, तो आपका perception आपकी आवाज से और आपके written content से होने वाला है. फिर आपकी आवाज पे वो second ध्यान देने वाले हैं. Because in communication, 55% of what people notice is your body language. Okay, so मैं अपने हाथ को, अपने facial expression को कैसे use कर रही हूँ. 38% comes to my voice. How am I using my voice? And then only and only 7% is the content that people are actually, noticing. So connection कब होता है? जब हम लोगों के सामने लोगों को दिखते हैं. तो अगर आप में इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा कि आप लोगों के सामने दिखने के लिए तैयार हैं, you are lacking soft skills big time. It actually shows that you do not have confidence. Okay, तो किसी ने मुझसे पूछा था कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे बिल्ड करना है. सो कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करने के लिए पहले अपने आप को शो करने की तैयारी करनी है आपको. ओके, एवरी सिंगल टाइम. हाँ संदीप.
Visual interaction creates curiosity for the person so that we can have better communication.
Great. Absolutely right, Sandeep. I'm so impressed with you. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Okay, so communication was one. ये तो foremost, ये basic है, एकदम basic है. जितना ज़्यादा अच्छे से आप communicate करोगे, your communication shows how much people are going to like you or not like you. And if people like you, they will tend to start trusting you. Okay, so आपके likability से के ऊपर depend करता है whether people will trust you or not. And the more and more they trust and find you credible, the more and more opportunities you are going to attract, because people feel that you are the right person. Okay, Then we talk about critical thinking. We talk about decision making, collaboration, leadership skills, problem solving, learning agility. Learning agility मतलब कितने fast आप कोई चीज को unlearn, relearn कर सकते हो. तो बहुत सारी चीजें जो अभी आपने सीखी हैं, इनमें से बहुत कुछ आपको अनलर्न भी करना पड़ेगा. द माइंडसेट दैट यू हैव बिल्ट अप, द कंडीशनिंग दैट यू हैव हैड व्हाइल यू वर ग्रोइंग अप, चाहे वो पेरेंट्स के सामने कंडीशनिंग हो आपकी, या सोसाइटी की कंडीशनिंग हो, या आपके ये जो फालतू की चीजें जो हम टीवी पे देखते रहते हैं वो वाली कंडीशनिंग हो. देयर इज अ लॉट दैट यू विल हैव टू अनलर्न एंड देन यू हैव टू क्विकली रीलर्न न्यू थिंग्स. दैट इज व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड ऑफ यू इन द वर्क स्पेस. सेल्फ मोटिवेशन. अगर आपको लगता है कि मुझे कोई ना कोई चाहिए धक्का मारने के लिए, हमेशा मैं अपने मन से कुछ कर ही नहीं पाता हूँ, यू आर लीस्ट सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड. अगर आप अपने आप को इंटरव्यूअर के सामने ऐसे डल सा दिखाओगे, जो क्वेश्चन पूछा उसका हाँ या ना में वो एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन पेपर चल रहा है इंटरव्यू में, तो यू आर नॉट नीडेड इन दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. बिकॉज इफ यू आर नॉट मोटिवेटेड, हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू बी वर्किंग इन एनी वर्क स्पेस? Okay, you are not needed क्योंकि आपकी vibes ही बहुत negative, बहुत dull सी होंगी. Then your interpersonal skills, which is again about how well you connect with people, and of course your emotional intelligence, how well you are aware about your own emotions, how well you take care of your emotions, and how well you understand what other people are going through. So there's just no one thing. There are numerous things that we need to be focusing upon when we are building our soft skills. And who can tell me? The combination of these two things, your hard skills plus your soft skills, this is creating something about you. That's X thing. What is that X thing? Please write in the chat box. Your hard skill plus your soft skills
Personality.
builds your personality. Okay, Sneha, thank you. Anything else? If I do not know your hard skill, मैं आपसे जनरली मिली हूँ और मुझे आपके हार्ड स्किल से कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है, ओके, then it is only about the soft skills. I'm asking about your hard plus your soft skills together. What does that create? Aura, okay. First impression, okay. Credibility, okay. Communication, okay. Potential, okay. So let me tell you, what exactly does it create for you? How you show your soft skills and hard skills together makes your personal and career brand. Okay, so the way you are showing me is telling me what is your brand right now. Okay, Rohan connected with me. He pursued me for quite a few days. कि मैम करना ही है. So I will perceive him as somebody who never gives up. Okay, who is just consistent with whatever thing is there in his hand. Somehow ये तो करना ही है, मैम छोड़ना नहीं है. Okay, so that's his brand for me. The way he communicated is very polite, is very very sober, very confident also with whatever he is saying. So he comes across as that kind of a person. So जो आपका perception form होता है आपके soft skills plus आपकी hard skills से, that builds your brand. तो जो लोग भी आपको पर्सनली जानते हैं, आपके शायद हार्ड स्किल्स को नहीं जानते होंगे, पर वो जो परसेप्शन आपके बारे में फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, दैट इज योर पर्सनल ब्रांड. एंड जो भी आपको काम के स्पेस में जानते हैं, स्कूल में कॉलेज में जो आपके प्रोफेसर्स आपके लिए बोलते हैं, दैट इज योर करियर ब्रांड. Okay, so the question is, how many of you ready to work upon your brand? This is Sneha is ready. Okay, how many of you? Okay, Gauri is saying, Dharya is saying. Okay. Amazing. Palak is also saying it. Okay. बाकी सब सो गए हैं, बस यहाँ पे आए, मैम ने बोला था आना है, भाई चलो नेटफ्लिक्स की एक सीरीज निपटाते हैं. यहाँ डिजिटली प्रेजेंट रहते हैं. सृष्टि, सुरुचि, लवकेश. ओके, ग्रेट. अच्छा, मेरा तो काम था ये बोलना था, मुझे तो रोहन ने मौका दिया, मैं आई और मैंने ये बोल दिया. Everything else depend upon you. So right now, because this session was completely covering only soft skills, I will be taking your questions now. Okay, for the next 10 minutes, we will have a Q&A round. But before that, I'm just sharing a link over here for all you people who will be interested in learning more about personal and career branding, that how you can truly create your brand, whether it's on LinkedIn or any other place, whether it's in offline or online mode, how exactly your brand is perceived, because based on your brand, your resume is selected, your interview are conducted, every single thing जो भी आप बता रहे हो, that is through your brand. आपके brand में कौन सी soft skills हैं, कौन सी hard skills हैं, किस level की skills हैं, everything is covered into this. Okay, So I've just shared this link. You can go to this link, click on it and register. The session is tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Sunday at 4 o'clock, I am conducting this session. It is going to be for 90 minutes. Okay. Now I am open to your Q&A. Ask me whatever you want to ask me about soft skills. सुहानी पूछ ले, इतना हंस रही है ये लड़की. पूछ ले बेटा, एक आध क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन भी नहीं, मतलब जवाब भी नहीं देना है, क्वेश्चन भी नहीं है. बाय गॉड, क्यों कर रहा है ये कॉल? यस वंशिता प्लीज.
Ma'am, when we circulated the Google form, there were some questions, and one of them was that how not to fumble while speaking. So if you can address that.
Okay, so who can answer this question? जो fumble नहीं करता है वो जरा बताए इसका आंसर क्या होगा. कौन है जो fumble नहीं करता है? Anybody who doesn't fumble, tell me. Okay, why do you think people fumble?
When they are unsure about what they are speaking, maybe.
Sorry?
When they are unsure about what they are speaking or underconfident about it.
Oh yes, absolutely. Lying नहीं भाई, lying वाइंग में तो सब बिंदास करते हैं. कोई फंबल नहीं करता, झूठ बोलते हैं. Nervousness, yes, when you don't know what to say. Absolutely right, Kanan. We fumble only because of a couple of reasons, because we fear what the other person is going to say. We are not sure, as Vanshita very rightly mentioned, that when you are unsure about what you have to say, when you are ill-prepared, less prepared, ill-prepared about something, that's the time when you fumble. Okay, and when you also have a big reason is that you have a very poor self-image. Self-image मतलब आप अपनी image क्या बना के रखें. मैं confident नहीं हूँ, मुझे कुछ आता ही नहीं है, मुझे तो कुछ अक्ल ही नहीं है, दूसरे लोग मेरा बहुत मजाक उड़ाते हैं, मैं तो इनके सामने कुछ बोलूंगा तो ये हंसेंगे, ये लोग तो मुझे कभी अप्रूव नहीं करेंगे. All of that you think about yourself is creating that self-image, which is building a lot of self-doubt and self-limiting beliefs, which is not letting you, go ahead and talk with people, which is not giving you confidence in your life. And that's why you fumble, because you are unprepared and you're not sure about what you have to say. Charu is saying, just wanted to say that you are great persons. Thank you so much, Charu. Really found this session very informative. Sorry for not opening the video. ठीक है, बहाने भी बाय गॉड इतने. आई नो यू आर सेइंग राइट, पर मैं बता रही हूँ कि कितना कन्वीनियंट है, नॉट सो कन्विंसिंग. ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स आर वन ऑफ द रीजंस इज द स्टेज फियर. हाँ, स्टेज फियर भी क्यों होता है? इट्स वेदर यू आर टॉकिंग. मतलब मैं आपको सच बता रही हूँ, जब मैंने वेबिनार्स देना शुरू किया था, इतनी दुख होती थी ना, बाय गॉड. दो आई यूज्ड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड, पर डर तो लगता ही है, हमेशा होता है. अभी नहीं लगता. अभी क्यों मुझे नहीं लगता है डर? अरे ये तो बच्चे ही हैं, क्या करेंगे. ऑनेस्टली. हाँ, दूसरी चीज, मैंने ये सारी चीजें इतनी कर ली है ना बेटा. आई हैव द एक्सपर्टीज नाउ इन दिस. मुझसे भी ज्यादा ज्ञानी लोग बैठे हैं ऑफ कोर्स. शायद अगर उनके सामने जाऊंगी तो मुझे थोड़ा और डर लगेगा, पर हम जब अपने आप को किसी से कम आंकते हैं ना, सबसे ज्यादा हमें तब डर लगता है. क्यों करना? See, you do not have to fumble, because those people in front of, especially in front of interviewers, if you are going, you have to understand that they are at a certain level and they have come through this only. They have also fumbled, they have also been nervous जब भी अपने टाइम पे रहे होंगे, and they understand, they are not expecting you to be, पता नहीं कोई तोपचंद नहीं जानते, वो आपको नहीं चाहते हैं कि आप ऐसे हो. and nervousness is very natural. So nervousness को डील करने के लिए सबसे अच्छा तरीका है that you say to yourself, I'm not nervous, I'm super excited. क्योंकि हॉर्मोन्स चाहे नर्वस हो चाहे एक्साइटेड हो, सेम ही निकलते हैं. ओके, तो आपको बार बार अपने आप क्या बोलना है? मैं सुपर एक्साइटेड हूँ. ये अजीब सा कुछ गुड़गुड़ हो रहा है ना, ये एक्साइटमेंट की वजह से हो रहा है. इट्स नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ नर्वसनेस. एंड शो दिस टू पीपल. बी द मोस्ट ऑथेंटिक पर्सन. और आप बात कर सकते हो, सर थोड़ा सा तो डर लग रहा है, मैं तो घबरा रही हूँ. यूज योर ह्यूमर. बी एब्सोल्युटली नेचुरल in front of people. This is, I talk to people who are extremely senior to me, who are like kids in front of me. आपके सामने भी मैं ऐसी बात कर रही हूँ, आपके प्रिंसिपल वीपी कोई बैठे होंगे तो भी मैं ऐसी बात कर रही हूँ, because this is my natural style. You just have to be natural. And the second most important thing is, guys, when you go and when you ask for something, you are scared whether people will give you that or not. Now, what you have to think about, a shift in the mindset. You are going for giving them something. You are there to serve them with something. तो आपने इतने साल जो इतना सारा ज्ञान बटोरा है, अब आप ये बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हो कि मेरे पास जो भी ज्ञान है इससे मैं आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकती हूँ. How can I help add more value to your organization? How can I help solve certain problems for you? So when you give something to people with whatever knowledge you are there with, but preparation बहुत important है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा important है. नहीं तो आपको लगेगा कि कुछ भी पूछ रहे हैं और मैं कुछ भी जवाब दे रही हूँ. Okay, so you definitely prepare well. But when you go to serve people, you will never feel nervous. क्योंकि जब हम सर्व करते हैं तो हम देने वाला हाथ ऐसे ऊपर रहता है ना बेटा हमेशा, और मांगने वाले हाथ ऐसे नीचे रहते हैं. जब आप मांगने जाते हो तो आप हमेशा नीचे रहते हो, आपको डर रहता है कि कोई मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. पर जब हम देने जाते हैं तो हमारे हाथ ऊपर रहते हैं कि अच्छा मैं तो अपना ज्ञान देने जा रही हूँ, मैं तो अपनी सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करने जा रहा हूँ या जा रही हूँ. सो इट्स ओके, उनकी इच्छा है, उनको लेना होगा मेरी सर्विस तो लेंगे, नहीं लेना होगा तो नहीं लेंगे. एंड वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग एट दिस जंक्चर वेयर यू गाइज आर, be ready to be rejected, guys. Numerous times you will be rejected, and it is not going to be a personal rejection. It is you not being a right fit for the role that you are applying for. अगर आप फिट नहीं हो, आप खुद भी सोचो ना, अगर आप किसी के पास जाते हो कोई सामान खरीदने के लिए और वो जो चीज आपको खरीदना है वो आपके नीड के हिसाब से नहीं होती है और आप उसको मना करते हो, तो क्या वो शॉपकीपर सोचता है मेरे सामान नहीं लिया, मेरे को रिजेक्ट कर दिया? Nobody is ever going to think that way. You also have to understand that you are a human product, you are a brand. Some people will use this brand, some people are not going to need this brand. Okay, but how you are presenting your brand, how valuable you are making your brand is 100% your responsibility. Making sense? Okay. Next question, ma'am. I'm Dheeraj Bishnoi. I want to ask, ऊपर चले गया. I want to ask you that how can we change our personality negative to positive? Like कभी कभी अच्छा behavior करते हैं, then set it into drama. They said it is your drama, so ma'am please tell me. Okay, सबसे पहले तो धीरज और सारे के सारे लोग, मैं थोड़ी सी आपको लगेगा मैं आग लगा रही हूँ यहाँ पे, but believe me guys, the people that you are surrounded with decide what you are going to be. Okay, so as there is a saying which says that you are sum total average of 5 people that you are surrounded with. तो आपके आजू बाजू किस तरीके के लोग हैं वो डिसाइड करेंगे आप ग्रो करोगे कि नहीं ग्रो करोगे. Okay, it could be because of your family culture that you have. Okay, जो भी फैमिली में circumstances है उसकी वजह से आप पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव हो सकते हो, फैमिली मेंबर्स की वजह से पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हो सकते हो. whatever you watch on television and you see, you hear, you read that makes your personality negative. Whatever people who you are surrounded with, क्या वो हमेशा ऐसे, आप कुछ भी अच्छा काम करोगे तो दोस्त आपको ये बोलते हैं कि ये बकवास है, फालतू चीजों में लगा हुआ है, छोड़ना ये सब, चलो हम घूम के आते हैं. They discourage you. Are the people surrounded that you surround yourself with are discouraging? They have no higher, bigger dreams. They have no goals in their life. They're simply living the day. किस तरह से दिन काटना है. So I believe me guys, आज इसी सेकंड 12:30 पे मेरे मुझ से अच्छा सा ज्ञान निकल रहा है, इसको ले लो. हाँ, अपने आप को काट दो इन सब से, ये आपको कभी आगे ग्रो करने नहीं देंगे. भले वो आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हो, अभी आपको ऐसे लग रहा है. ओके, सो व्हेन आई वाज योर एज आई यूज्ड टू हैव अमेजिंग फ्रेंड्स. ओके, मुझे लगता था इनके साथ ही दिन रात रहना है. वी ऑल हैव दोस ड्रीम्स कि हम एक साथ कभी एक स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करेंगे, पता नहीं क्या क्या हम सब सोचते हैं, बट इट डजंट वर्क आउट दैट वे because you have different aspirations. Other people have different aspirations, or some people will not have any aspiration at all. So when I was young, your age, college में जब मैं थी तो मैं अपने दोस्तों से बोलती थी, कोई अच्छी गाड़ी निकल के जा रही थी, मैं उनसे बोलती थी यार मेरे को ना बहुत जल्दी से एक ऐसी गाड़ी खरीदनी है, तू तो अपनी लूना से तो ऊपर उठ जा. I used to drive a Luna that time. So people used to make fun, but that doesn't mean that I will not think about becoming big. And every time when I used to talk to them, they had no aspiration to grow big, to make more money, to become famous or whatever. But we all want to feel included. हम इसलिए भी बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ रहते हैं कि चलो कोई तो है मेरा दोस्त. And sometimes people who are better than us, they do not want to involve us also. तो हमें झक मार के उनके साथ रहना होता है जो ऐसे ही से हैं. You get my point? So it is extremely important for you to raise your energy frequency. जो भी आपकी positivity है, negativity है, these are the energies. Every single atom in this universe is releasing energies. And all these energies have certain frequencies. जिस energy पे आप हो, अगर आप डर रहे हो, आप nervous हो, आप anxiety में हो, आप stress में हो, they all have lower frequencies, and with lower frequencies you attract people who have such kind of frequencies. तो आप एक lower frequency पे एक higher frequency वाले इंसान को attract नहीं कर सकते हो, उस energy पे मिलने वाली opportunities भी आप attract नहीं कर सकते हो. So number one, change your perspective, change your mindset, read amazing books that talk about mindset, listen only to people who are positive, who tell you things which are good in yourself. Write down list of all the things that you feel you are like really good at. Think only and only about that. Work only and only on your strengths, not up on your weaknesses. Okay, ये सारा ज्ञान मैं मास्टर क्लास में दूंगी अगली बार, मैं सारा कुछ अभी नहीं देने वाली हूँ. I'll just answer some more questions.
Ma'am, this is like
हाँ संदीप.
Ma'am, this is like a algorithm of application. The way we manage the interest in our phone, we get the same feed in our phone. So we have to manage the human algorithm.
Absolutely, that's beautiful ad. Thank you so much, Sandeep. ये 3-4 अच्छे ज्ञान के टुकड़े देके गया बंदा. Amazing. Gauri is saying, please recommend some activities we could do to practice to develop our soft skills. People around us judge us without even talking to us and knowing us and make their opinions. Okay, so this judgment part is what I've given you a brief, a small snippet of this. Gauri, as I said, people judge us not because they are sitting there to judge us deliberately, but because of how we communicate ourselves to them. Okay, the moment you guys saw me here, you have judged me already. 3 to 5 seconds is what maximum we take. In fact, if you go by science, it's 1/10 of a second. That's how much time we need to judge people, and that is happening unconsciously only. It's not consciously कि आप आज कनिष्का बैठी है और आज तो ये कौन आ रही देखती हूँ मैं, इनको तो आज मैं जज करके ही छोड़ूंगी और सम्यक बैठा है मैम को जज करना है. Nobody does it like that. But the way I appear in front of you, you are bound to judge me. इनको कुछ आता भी होगा कि नहीं, ये प्रोफेशनल दिख भी रही है कि नहीं, इतनी देर 1 घंटा बैठना है, दिखने में भी अच्छी नहीं होंगी तो क्या करूंगा यहाँ बैठ के. A lot of stuff. Okay, so you are being judged. I have to prepare myself so that I leave a great impression on you people. If I do not work, so your judgment depends upon how I communicate everything about myself to you. Whether I'm professional, whether I'm expert on my topic or not, whether I can answer your questions or not, whether I can conduct this properly or not, whether I can keep you engaged for all this time or not. Everything is completely my responsibility. Okay? कुछ एक 2-4-10% लोग होते हैं कि कोई कितना भी अच्छा हो वो उनके साथ, तो उनको तो अपन को निकाल ही देना है ना, अभी बोला है ना, कट ऑफ करना है बहुत सारे लोगों से. बट अदरवाइज यू हैव टू टेक 100% रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ हाउ यू आर बिहेविंग इररेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ व्हाट यू आर गोइंग थ्रू. अभी मेरे पेट में भी दर्द हो सकता है, फिर भी मैं बिना कराहे मुझे बात करना है. अभी मुझे मेरे बच्चे यहाँ बैठ के कुछ तंग कर रहे हैं, वो अभी जाके थोड़ी देर पहले मुझे हंसा के गया है. 2 sons, हाँ, तो अभी मुझे कुछ यहाँ वहाँ ऐसे एक्टिंग कर करके गए, मुझे इतनी हंसी आ रही थी, बट आई हैड टू कंट्रोल दैट. सो एवरी सिंगल थिंग दैट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ इज 100% माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, एंड हाउ आई हैव परफॉर्म्ड राइट नाउ will decide whether you want to stay connected with me, whether you think I performed okay with you, whether I justified the time that you guys have given me here. Okay, got it. So about soft skills, there are numerous things that you can do depending upon. The first step to developing soft skills is becoming self-aware. कौन सी soft skills है, किस level तक है और किस level पे नहीं है. So I would highly recommend you all to create small groups of people. Okay, 5-5, 6-6 लोगों का आप ग्रुप बनाइए, एंड इस ग्रुप में ऐसे मत करिए कि भैया हमारी तो इतने लोगों से जानती है, हमने तो अपना ग्रुप बना लिया. इन्वॉल्व पीपल, क्योंकि ये आपकी वो वाली स्किल्स भी बताएगा कि आप दूसरों को अपने ग्रुप में लेते हैं कि नहीं. यू गेट दैट? बिकॉज आप जब आगे जाएंगे तो आपको वही सारे लोग नहीं मिलने वाले जिनके साथ आप बहुत कंफर्टेबल हैं. क्रिएट ग्रुप्स विद पीपल यू हैव नेवर बीन विद, क्रिएट ग्रुप्स विद पीपल यू आर अनकंफर्टेबल विद, एंड देन you do any kind of exercise, you divide certain tasks, you divide certain assignments, and then you see in yourself who are those people who take initiative. Okay, who are the people who talk, who are the people who solve problems. Okay, you will know for yourself what are your major skills, and ask from each other, guys, आपको क्या लगता है, क्या क्या skills मेरे में हैं, कौन कौन सी चीजों में मैं अच्छी हूँ, अच्छा हूँ, और किस चीज पे मुझे ज्यादा वर्क करने की जरूरत है. There are different ways. अभी सारा ज्ञान एक ही सेशन में नहीं लेना है. Okay,